What's up, guys? Today we are going snagging, and this is the first time I've ever gone snagging. Well, kinda. So, a couple years ago, me and a buddy decided we were gonna go snagging. Opening day, it was like 5 degrees outside. I mean, it was freezing, and I did not dress warm, and we did not have the dipsy divers, and we were out there just cranking, trying to snag a fish, and it was the longest 8 hours of my life. With the help of Steve, the captain of All Out Fishing Charters, great guy. As you all know, we have a partnership with him. I got to see what it was all about, and I know a lot of people in Missouri are really into snagging. Like that is like they can't wait for snagging season to start. And I wanted to see what the hype was about. And let me tell you something, the hype was there. We're hooked up, boys.
First double of the year. Got 2 on. Get the other one reeled in, guys.
Right there now.
Keep your line tight.
Hope I don't break a rod.
Nope, don't break a rod. Just use the rod, play the fish.
I always thought it was the opposite because I always thought they broke them by doing that.
No. The rod is
the way to do
rod.
it.
Now, when you reel down, keep your rod bent. So reel down and keep your line tight. When you reel down, there you go.
Oh, okay.
If you get slack in there, he'll flip his tail and cut that line. So keep your line tight on the fish the whole time. If you let slack get in there, you can lose it. Well, that went well.
Was that about 30 seconds?
Yeah, we weren't in the water very long, were we?
I don't know how to tell how big it is. I'm not expert.
Oh, I thought you were an expert.
Do I need one of them big belts like they wear in deep sea fishing?
No, you just need to be a man.
Well, we'll test that today, I guess.
Come on, don't let that fish whip you. Don't let that fish whip you. It's pulling like it's a pretty good fish because we're actually floating.
There he is.
Oh,
That's a big boy, isn't it?
that's a nice fish. That is a nice fish. He's on top. You got him tail hooked.
Come here, buddy.
Nope. Come on, buddy.
He saw how ugly you were and said,
I take offense to that.
you resemble that statement?
Boy.
Away from my head, just so you know when I duck down. To grab him, don't run your hook in my face, okay? See how that upper hook is up there?
Oh boy,
Nice
he's
fish,
barely
Dalton.
hooked.
Yep. Really, you did that on purpose?
No, I didn't. Did he get you?
Nope, not bad. You got my coat though.
I just...
You pulled on him a little too hard, we broke off. That was close. Remember what I said about keep the hook away from me?
Yeah.
How you keep the hook away from me. Oh, man.
Don't do that.
Well,
Off to a good start, Dalton. Nice.
Hey!
Yep. When you bring them alongside the boat,
So I
you
should
bring
have
them
pulled
this way,
that way.
not straight back
straight
in.
up. Right.
Yep.
So you can, Dalton.
I think you're both on the same fish, but just in case you're not.
Don't get the hook stuck in the captain. Alex.
This
I
time
did
you get
that once.
stuck in Alex.
I'm not a jerk like you.
Hey!
Keep it tight, keep it tight. Don't slack when you reel down, Alex. When you reel down, keep it tight.
Double trouble.
What'd you say?
It's a double trouble. Probably. Okay,
I got a feeling they're both in the same fish. We'll see.
It's looking like that.
There you go.
Alright, there you go.
Oh, come here, fish. Open.
Did we read?
Okay, when I pull them in, just watch your hooks, keep them away from me, okay? Got it. You guys ready?
Yep.
Noted.
Put it in. All right, who wants to pick him up and get the pictures? You want it?
We both hooked it, so you have it.
I think you were on him first.
Yeah.
You went on the bow or the back of the boat? Okay.
Be easier to do it right here.
I'm sure.
Time to hit the gym, Alex. Wait, Alex, you didn't say your tagline.
Oh, I know. All right, guys. Just got hooked up with our first one. Me and Dalton hooked into this one. Super cool. Dalton lost our first one and hooked our captain, so.
Hey! Boater safety, don't do that.
How big do you think that is, Steve?
What's that?
How big do you think it is?
That was probably 40 pounds.
40 pounds?
40, maybe a little better.
There you go, 40 pounder.
It's a good start.
Tell you what, I do need to hit the gym though, because just holding that there for a couple seconds, I felt like, whoo! Yeah, she got some fight in there. But we're gonna get back to it. Hoping we get some more on the boat, so talk to you in a second.
Okay, bring him up. Up. You hook the fish?
I don't know.
Or you hunt?
Well,
There's a good chance you hook the fish on the end of that run like that.
I guess that's possible. I touched something right before that.
Yep. Is it coming?
I don't know.
I think you got a fish.
This feels like I hit the bottom like last time.
Nope, you got a fish. You're hooked up.
He said it. I was gonna say, I got a little bump right before it hit.
Yep.
Because I was like, what the hell is that? Because I thought it hit yours.
Nope. Okay, now, see that hook?
Uh-huh.
It's not in him great, so don't put a ton of pressure on him. Be gentle with him. If he runs, you know, let the drag slip.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna keep the hook away from you.
Oh, shit. All right, I can't lift him with that. Get him away from the motor. Away from the motor. I can't lift him stab like that, so we're gonna have to get a second person to help you lift
Okay,
him. All right.
Alex, excuse me.
You ready?
Okay, anything I can do?
Nope.
Okay.
You got him? Yep. Bring him in.
Keep the hook away.
Bend him over. We got it.
Okay.
I just wasn't quite enough butt to lift him.
It's a good fish.
You get the hook out of him if I keep him bent?
Watch that hook right next to you, Alex. Don't sit.
Do I need to flip him?
I'm not gonna pick it up like yours.
Pick him up.
This guy's heavy.
Trevor, come here, Trevor.
Put down Alex.
It's a little smaller, but it's still a keeper. Okay, now You gotta. Yep.
You got
Go ahead
double
and hop
hook.
past me. Cup holder. That's all right.
That's the most important.
You have a double? We might have our first double of the year.
Oh, that's a good one.
You guys are going 2 different directions. That's a good sign.
We're hooked up, boys.
First double of the year. Got 2 on. Get your line and get some more on. Okay, keep yours tight and don't bring him in yet, okay?
Okay. All right, big boy. Nope. Okay, he's upside down.
Upside down. There you go. Flip him over.
I don't want him to fall out of my hands.
Tilt him this way though, so it's not in Alex's face. There you go. You got him?
Yeah.
Woo! You had to put the gross side forward, really?
Well, I couldn't really grab on that side of the grab.
Nice.
Cool.
Congratulations, you guys are done.
Awesome.
You guys are tagged out.
There we go. All right, buddy. All right, guys. As you can see, we smashed it today. Without a doubt, breaking all 3 of our personal best fish. And super excited. Talking about an absolute jam-packed video. We got to give it all up to our Captain Steve with All Out Fishing Charters for hooking us up with these beautiful freshwater fish. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help us out with the subscribes. Get us up to 200 subscribers. And without a doubt, remember, stay tuned. I'll see you next time.